Money is getting tight these days, and until Doge gets a handle on whatever our textiles are going to, we wanted to give you some advice on how to squeeze an extra few $100s into your pocket this year. The simple hack to increasing some savings is actually fuel efficiency. Stick with me. If that tank of gas isn't lasting as long as it did when you got it, here's a few things you can do that will increase your mileage per gallon and save you a lot of money. I know life gets busy and sometimes car maintenance takes a back seat, pun intended. First thing to check is your air filter, and here's why. The air filter ensures clean air, and this is vital for fuel efficiency. Simply put, the difference is dirty air and clean air. The cleaner your air is, the better fuel and air mixture you'll get, which gives you better fuel efficiency. If you're wondering, what does air have to do with gas? Most engines work through combustion, unless you're driving an overpriced refrigerator. In order for that to occur, you must have air, fuel, and spark. Next, check your tire pressure. Here in Texas, the weather is crazy, especially in the winter where it will be 30 degrees today and 80 degrees tomorrow. Sudden changes in temperature will always affect your tires, so make sure you're checking them frequently, adding the pressure they need. Tire pressure is important because when your tires are low, it can cause excessive drag and lowers your miles per gallon. Again, increasing the frequency that you need to fill your tank. Another simple fix to help fuel economy is getting gas sooner than later. We all know that one person that drives their car until it's bone dry and can barely make it to the pump. The reason that affects your gas mileage is because what cools your fuel pump is gas. Running your fuel too low too often will cause issues with your fuel pump, and this directly affects your miles per gallon. Not only that, but it will also greatly decrease the amount of time you'll have before you need to replace that fuel pump. Replacements, depending on make and model, can cost anywhere from $500 to $3,000. If you've been looking for that reason to tell your significant other to stop leaving you on E, this is one. We recommend looking for your next fill up at a quarter tank. If in your brain that equates to wasting a quarter tank of gas, well, I recommend you getting a refrigerator. Some honorable mentions are to get your oil changed, don't ignore dashboard lights, and if you drive a Chrysler, we'll pray for you. If there's anything to take from this video, keep your gas tank at a healthy level, keep your tires inflated, and make sure your air filter is able to do its job. We would love to know what you'd like to see from this channel, so if you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.